are returning as far as possible to the lives that we lived before the pandemic.
La ngamanye wamezwi azwakele ekulumeni kaMengameli izolo ebusuku nabekathula imithetho emitsha emalungana neCovid-19. Besolo agcina ukwethula inkulumo efana nale ngomhla ka28 kuSinyikhaba umnyaka opheleleko. Nabekehlisa isigaba sobujamo bezehlekelele nokuqindeliswa kwamakhambo wasibeka ku level 1. Ngemva kweminyaka emibili kwehle iCovid-19 igedlisiwe godu imithetho.
Due to the changing nature of the pandemic and due to the progress that has been made through our collective efforts, we intend to lift the national state of disaster.
Njengombana kubandamele iphela veke ephasika, abantu abaningi bazokhokha umoya ngombana bazokhona ukuphetha amakhambo wabo okuyokudumisa.
Cabinet has decided to ease several restrictions as part of adjusted level 1. The restrictions on gatherings are being significantly changed. In previous regulations, the emphasis was on placing an upper limit on the number of people who could attend a gathering. The approach now going forward is that both indoor and outdoor venues can now take up to 50% of their capacity, provided that the criteria for entrance at those venues is proof of vaccination or a COVID test not older than 72 hours.
Okhunye godu ukuthi nanyana abantu besele bajayele ukufaka ama-maski ngaso sonke isikhathi. Sekunamachuguluko amancazana amenyezelweko.
We still need to wear masks when in facilities like shops, malls, offices, factories, taxis, buses, trains, or any other indoor place. But we do not need to wear masks when we are walking on the streets of our country or our pathways or in an open space, when exercising outdoors or jogging or when attending an outdoor gathering.
Nakusenjalo lingezelelwe inani labantu abakhambela imingcwabo lasuka ebantwini abalikhulu laya kaba makhulu amabili. Nanyana kunjalo imilindelo neminyanya yomjido yomzimba jukujeka kusulwe inyembezi ngemva komngcwabo yona ke solo ayikavunyelwa. Isitshaba sisakhonjelwa ukuthi sihlale maqalanga.